Good morning, student. This is the summary of the chapter The Machine Stops. It is written by Edward Morgan Foster. It is a short science fiction story which is set in a post-apocalyptic world. Here, the writer images that if you can live in a small room that is hexagonal in shape like the cell of bee, and there is no light or window nor any lamp, yet it is filled with light. And the other thing, there is no ventilation, but there is a fresh air. There are no musical instruments, but always there is a melodious song sounds. There is a lady which was sitting in an armchair, and she is a shapeless mass. She is very heavy. She is about 5 feet high. Her face is as white as fungus because she never moved out from that room. It is to her that the little room belongs. There are electric bells. The woman touched a switch and the music was silent. All the work was done by the machine. There is a switch for everything, for their food, for their needs, for fans, for everything. There is a voice, and when she listened it, she said that who is it? She know that several thousand people is communicate with her. But when she listened the receiver, her white face wrinkled and into smiles, and she said, "Very well, let us talk. I will isolate. Here it is the person who is her son, Kuno." In this chapter, there is only two main characters. One is Kuno and the second one is Vashti, who is the mother of Kuno. The lady told to her son that she had only 5 minutes because after that she must deliver her lecture that is on music during the Australian period. She touched the isolation knob so that no one else could speak to her. Then she touched the lighting switches and the little room was plunged into darkness. The boy was happy to talk with her mother, but he wanted to see her by face and voice and want that she could come to meet her. But the lady said that it takes much time and she hates to travel from the airship. The boy said that he wants to see him. "I don't like to see you in a blue plate." But the mother was denied that she came there, and the boy became irritated for that, and he switched off the button. Then the lady, who is the mother of Kuno, said that, "Who gives you idea for that?" The woman said that she disliked to see the horrible brown earth and the sea and the stars when it is dark. "I do not get them anywhere else," she said. The boy said that, do you know, for big stars that form an oblong and 3 stars close together in the middle of the oblong, and hanging from these stars 3 other stars. He said that this is as it is the soldier of man, and the 3 stars are like sword. Men carried sword about with them to kill animals and other men. This is the opinion of the mother. She said that it does not strike me as a very good idea, but it is certainly original. In the airship, he broke off and she fancied that he looked sad. She could not be sure for the machine. He said that it gives a general idea of people, an idea that was good enough for all practical purposes. Vashti thought the finer details of expression was rightly ignored by the machine. The boy said, it is like the artificial fruit. If there is a grape, it looks like original, but there is no juice in the grapes. And it is truth that I want to saw the stars. I want to live in the earth, on the earth, as our ancestors did 1,000 years ago. Her mother said that if you went on the surface of the earth, you can take a respiratory system, and if you go outside, outer air, it would kill you. The boy said that he takes all the precaution for that. After that, he switched off the button and disconnected himself from her mother. Then Vashti, who is taking the lecture about the Australian music, and she is sitting in the room, and from there she had done everything. She connect with the people and talk with them. There are many people, and they are all the public gathering had been long since abandoned. Neither Vashti nor her audience stirred from their room. They are seated in the armchair, and her lecture, which lasted 10 minutes, was well received, and at its conclusion, she and many of her audience listened to a lecture on the sea. There were ideas to be got from the sea. The speaker had donned as respiratory and visited its lid. At the last, she thought about the Kuno's invitation and tried to go there. Thank you, students.